In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to become a millionaire. Now, let's be clear from the start. ChatGPT itself won't directly put money in your pocket. Instead, it acts as an incredible tool to boost productivity and creativity in various areas, such as programming, blogging, and even generating ideas for making money online. So whether you're dabbling in tech or looking for an edge in your current projects, ChatGPT can be a game changer. Let's explore some practical ways you can leverage this tool to potentially boost your earnings. First, consider using ChatGPT for writing articles. If you have an affiliate marketing website, you can utilize ChatGPT to craft compelling content. By enhancing your site with quality articles, you increase the likelihood of driving sales through the products you promote. Moreover, ChatGPT can assist in pinpointing the most rewarding affiliate programs for you to join, helping you maximize your efforts and potentially increase your income streams. Next, let's talk about creating apps, websites, and extensions. ChatGPT, combined with other technologies, can simplify the process of coding by generating visuals and scaffolding for your project ideas. This can save you time and effort. Though remember, a few manual tweaks might still be necessary to tailor the creations to your liking. Overall, this can make the path to launching a digital product much smoother and quicker. Another creative avenue is designing logos and illustrations. With the help of ChatGPT, you can produce unique illustrations or logos that not only appeal to individuals looking for artistic home decor, but also to businesses searching for fresh brand designs. By selling these creations, you're tapping into a lucrative market where the demand for original and eye-catching designs is ever growing. If you're in search of entrepreneurial ventures, ChatGPT can aid by generating business ideas. Whether you're an experienced entrepreneur or a budding business enthusiast, using ChatGPT to brainstorm and refine business concepts can set the stage for the next big thing. It's about harnessing this creativity and pairing it with practical executions to break into new markets or improve upon existing ideas. For those in the world of content creation, using ChatGPT to script and plan YouTube videos is another great strategy. You can leverage its capabilities to refine your content, ensuring it's engaging and impactful, which could lead to better viewer retention and subsequently increased ad revenue. Creating a chatbot is another excellent use of ChatGPT. As demand for AI-driven customer service tools continues to grow, crafting a chatbot that enhances user experience can lead to increased client satisfaction and potentially higher sales figures for businesses that deploy them. Lastly, dig into affiliate marketing campaigns. ChatGPT can craft persuasive emails suited to different audiences, offering compelling calls to action that encourage subscriptions or purchases through your affiliate links. By strategically placing these calls to action, you could see a marked uptick in conversions and, consequently, commissions. By utilizing these methods, you can strategically position yourself to explore numerous opportunities for generating wealth, leveraging ChatGPT as your innovative ally in the process.